Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys, and I don't know what's in here, but we're going to find out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Most likely something that was sent in response to the community post, which is fantastic. Thank you guys for being supportive there. We have another CRKT. Okay, great. And we also have a note. And is that everything there? Okay, yeah, it is. Gonna make it. Oh my gosh, I just threw it into another room. Okay. Let's check out the note here real quick. Hey MC, thanks for all the great content. I spend most of my day in a paint booth, and I listen to YouTube videos and podcasts for entertainment. I particularly enjoy the videos that you go off on an annoyed rant about some bill. Or Uncle Randy as Pete from Cedric and Ada. Yeah. Yeah, those are kind of mashed together a little bit. I'm also a big Spyderco and Hinderer fan, and I find most of your opinions on knives fit pretty well with my own. Keep up the good work, and I hope you can kick that cough soon. Hey, thanks. I actually am fully recovered, but thank you very much for thinking of me. I really appreciate that. Very nice. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, here, let me plug his Instagram. There he is right there. John Watts 57, so give him a follow. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, is this the, this is the Burnley Squid. Yeah, so, here's the reason why. This is the reason why I wanted this to be sent. Like, I'm sure you guys are like, that's been around forever. So, I've never handled it, and every time I go to Blade HQ, it auto-sorts by popular, and this thing is always at the top. Always. Now, sometimes ridiculous junk garbage is at the top because, you know, I'm not saying this is garbage, by the way. I'm just saying there's other weird knives that are way up at the top, and I'm like, okay, well, that's just popular because it's cheap and nobody knows what the heck it is, right? But this, I mean, I think this is Burnley. I'm sure it says. Burnley design, yeah. Okay, so Lucas Burnley, definitely a prominent figure in the knife community. And then I've definitely heard of the Squid before. CRKT... They've made some stuff that's good. They've made some stuff that's not good. But they seem to be kind of on the rise in terms of quality. So, is this... What's the steel here? I don't know what the steel is, but I'm going to find out. This is not a review, by the way. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. The full review will come a couple of weeks from now. But, so, the action feels really good. And I'm not sure if it's... It looks like it's... Boy, it looks like it's running on bearings. I don't know why I'm surprised by that. Can we see in there? I mean, the lips of that look like phosphor bronze, but I think it's actually... Yeah, I think they're actually bearings. So, once I get a hold of that thumb stud, I'm fine. But there's not a lot of room over here to brace. So where I naturally want to brace ends up being right here. So I have to... You got to get your fingers over on the pocket clip, and it doesn't create for an optimal deployment experience. But this is cool. This is shaped like a... It's shaped like a squash or an eggplant. That's it. I mean, that's what it looks like, right? But it's called the Squid. Nice little blade. Yeah, I mean the quality on it's pretty darn good. I like the backspacer in contrast with the probably micarta scales. That's what it looks like. Okay, so anyways, this will get a full review. I feel like this has been a super popular knife for a long time, and I thought, well, I might as well check out what the deal is with it. It's not a bad-looking knife, and sometimes smaller knives can be really cool if they're done right. So yeah, steel frame lock. I will link this guy right down into right down in the description, so you guys can check it out if you want. You can see I'm having trouble with that thumb stud. That could just be me. That's why I take a few weeks to mess around with it, so I can figure out, like, is it me? Reverse flick, no problem, because you're putting pressure up against the... Well, unless you get your index finger in the way. Reverse flick is fine. But I'll link this guy right down in the description, as well as CRKT Knives in general if you want to check out what else they've got going on right now. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Jeez. Ran out of breath. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.